not be able to work and perform whatever we do at Transnet if it wasn't for you. And please, for that, give yourself a round of applause, please.
I am very excited to be here because my role today is to talk about how women can build their wealth. You know, gone are the days where women are expected to get married. There's some women who might not be lucky enough to get married, and they need to be able to know how to take care of their money, how to build their own wealth.
I would like to thank Transnet today for doing such a wonderful event for all its female employees. It was a very beautiful evening. Today I came to talk about entrepreneurship, to advise women that they must not relax. They can still go out and start their own businesses apart from being employed at Transnet.
My role is to encourage all the women that are employed at TPT, to applaud and to thank them sincerely for their contributions.